With the rising temperature of the IATO election fever, candidates discussed their priorities.
Our main agenda still is to how we have to revive the business if we are back after winning the elections. We are working out on the same with the ministry, and once the e-visa restrictions are lifted, then we will full-fledged talk with the ministry, whatever points we have already given, so that they can start working on it. And our main agenda is that the business should be back and our members should be back to the level what they were enjoying life, earning, working hard before the COVID came in.
If I come on power, I will definitely waive off the fees for 2021 and monitor the position of inbound tourism up till about August, September, and if we feel there is no increase, I will waive off for that year also, that is 21-22. That is my first priority that I have. Members, it's only members right now I'm thinking about. We have to hold hands of these small operators, bring them closer and assure them that the association is there for them to stand behind.
I personally feel the IATO as an organization should be more transparent, more democratic, more inclusive, and bring in more involvement of the members at the national level. In fact, representations from all over the country has to be there for IATO's growth, which is required. At least about 5 to 8% of the membership should be in the executive committee, representing various regions, various segments, and various destinations, so that we will have vivid knowledge on the tourism sector from different states.
Over the years, we have lost the focus where we should be going. What for the association is there? We are not focusing on that. As far as I am concerned, the only focus of IATO has to be that we have to bring in more business into country. How? That is to be worked out. If we develop the business, whatever we are doing, every member is going to be benefited. I want my business to go double. I want every member's business to develop. How it can be achieved, that we will discuss among ourselves first and then with the government. That is a single point agenda as far as I am concerned, to bring back 11 million tourists into India in 2 years' time. That's what all is required to be done. That will be discussed among the membership and then taken to the government. Along with faith, whatever is required, we will do.